Yama, what do you think?
Great, like really happy with the clinic, with the service, with the follow-up. It's been all like an amazing experience.
This is Yama. He's 39 years old and came to us about 6 months ago with a Norwood 3 pattern of hair loss. And so I'm going to show you his pre-op pictures. You can see here he has got quite marked hair loss in the bitemporal areas. And this is 6 months later. And let's have a look. So this is the front, which is always, he's always strong in the front. But this is the side. To your right a bit. Okay, you can zoom in. You can see he has got incredibly good growth. Very high density, especially when you consider it's only 6 months. And you can see hairline is very natural, soft, all ones, very silky. And turn the other way, please. Chin up a bit. And here you can see again, it's a very natural, high density hairline. And you can see how the hair merges very nicely with the existing hair. So this is transplanted hair. So when it close up, I can tell because I do this for a living. So this is transplanted hair. This is natural hair. This is all transplanted hair. And this is natural hair, and you can see it's a very good merging of the new with the old. And this is the donor. You can see with the FUE, the donor, obviously there's no scarring, there's no linear scarring, and you can't see any scarring, and then it looks as though he never had a hair transplant done. Turn around, please. So Yama, what do you think?
Great, like really happy with the clinic, with the service, with the follow-up. It's been all like an amazing experience. You guys have like blew out my expectations with everything here. Yeah.
And when you came, you obviously had quite a bit of hair loss.
Yeah, quite a bit. And now seeing the after, I feel like I'm 10 years younger. Everybody says I look younger, so that's good.
And when did the hair begin to grow in?
It started growing in probably like after a couple of months. I started noticing growth. Yeah.
Typically hair growth is at about 4 months or 6 months. Can also be, we have a case of it's 8 months and 9 months. So 2 months is a bit early, but this would account for the fact that he's got very good high density growth. This is month 6. If he came to us at 1 year with this hair growth, I'd be very happy. But to have this hair growth at 6 months is totally amazing. And so we're very happy for Yama, and he's very happy for himself.
Yeah, definitely recommend everybody. I've been recommending my friends to don't go anywhere else, come here. Forget Turkey.